Did you know that some warriors only discover their greatest weakness when no one is watching? He had trained for 20 years, every strike precise, every stance perfect. His name was spoken with reverence in every corner of the province. Then came the exile. Alone in a mountain temple, no students, no rivals, no watching eyes, he raised his sword for the first morning drill and stopped. The movement felt wrong, not in his hands, in his chest. Something was missing, and he could not name it until the silence named it for him. He had always believed he trained for himself, but standing in that empty hall, breath fogging in the cold air, he understood the quiet truth. The crowd was never just watching, it was holding him up. Real mastery is not what you perform when others are present. It is what you choose to do when no one will ever know. When there is no applause waiting, no approval coming. That is the only test that cannot be faked. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.